Why are we so drawn to our favorite apps and websites? What is it about them that makes us so comfortable using them in our day-to-day lives? User experience is a concept of how a product, such as an app or a website, makes a person feel. Think about how easy it is to log into Canvas or Wingspan, and how seamless those applications are to navigate through. From turning in assignments with the click of a button to easily scrolling between assignments and notifications. It makes our college experience a bit more efficient, being able to access all that information at our fingertips. As a digital web design major, I'm going to inform you about user experience and how it's the most important factor that people in the digital design industry take into account. I will be elaborating on what I believe are the three most important aspects of user experience design. First, I will be discussing the topic of interface. Secondly, I will speak on usability. Finally, I will talk about usefulness. Now I will elaborate on interface design. The term interface describes the overall appearance or layout of an app or website. Think about when you click onto Instagram. You are immediately greeted by a solid white background. In the center appears the Instagram logo with the words "Powered by Facebook" at the bottom. That all describes the interface of the welcome page. There are so many things about apps that we don't pay attention to. According to computer programmer Steve Krug, a good visual hierarchy saves us work by pre-processing the page for us. The color choice, the shapes, the font type, font size are all picked carefully. The entire interface of an app is designed in consideration to what a user finds aesthetically pleasing. The point of interface is to stimulate the user's optic receptors to transmit pleasant messages to the brain. In other words, we like to look at things that look nice. Now that I've discussed the concept of interface, I will talk about usability. Possibly the most important aspect when creating a pleasant user experience is usability, meaning is the product user-friendly. A good design creates a seamless experience. According to American researcher Don Norman, it is the duty of machines and those who design them to understand people. Users want something that is easy to use and easy to access. When using an app, we want something accessible that doesn't require much thought or effort to use. Referring back to Instagram, liking a photo is one of the more user-friendly aspects of it. You simply double tap on a photo or click the heart icon. Easy enough. The ability to like a photo was easy and direct, therefore creating a pleasant user experience. A facet of the app that may not be so user-friendly is deactivating your account. And I'm not sure if you guys realize this, but the ability to deactivate your account is not immediately offered on the mobile app. In order to do that, you need to log into the browser version of Instagram and deactivate from there. The process can be a bit of a nuisance as it is not directly offered at one's fingertips. This is an example of a design that is not user-friendly. It does not create a harmonious experience. Now that I've discussed about usability, I will move on to usefulness. Let's say an app has been created that is visually pleasing, very accessible, and easy to navigate through. How will it play a role in our everyday lives? Thousands of apps and websites are created each day. Some are created for social networking, others help us edit photos, and others are made to help us stay organized. All of these serve a purpose and fulfill some type of need. With that being said, technology itself is made to revolutionize the way we do things. The most successful apps are those we can manipulate into our lifestyle. A web app with no real intention is not something we can adopt into our routine. Examples of apps that don't serve a real purpose are palm reading apps, or apps like iBeer and iSoda that are just meant to simulate the beverages. None of these applications can be deemed as useful. When we think about user experience, we take into consideration the purpose of who the product is being created for, the user. A useless product creates an unfulfilling experience. Now that I've discussed usefulness, I have come to the conclusion of my speech. First, I elaborated on the interface. Secondly, I spoke about usability. Lastly, I discussed usefulness. I have elaborated on what I believe are the three main aspects in creating the ideal user experience. Next time you're on your phone or tablet, think about all the components that make up your favorite app and why you like it so much. From the layout to the way that it makes you feel, it was entirely designed with you in mind.